Hi, my name's Becky. I'm the nursery manager at Little Stars Deeside.
And my name's Becca and I'm a senior nursery nurse at Little Stars Deeside. So on a day-to-day basis, our apprentices, work-based learners will complete all of the tasks that any of our other staff would do. So it will be things like learning to do nappies and how to complete all of the correct paperwork for those. It will be doing observations on the children, tracking their learning, their development and what their next steps are, as well as completing planning and supporting the children in all of their planning observations, planning activities for all the children to help and support them as well. And throughout their day, we will support them with any jobs that we believe they should work towards to be able to complete their job as a nursery nurse.
Fantastic. We've always been fully supported as a business by Coleg Cambria. We currently have an MVQ assessor from Coleg Cambria called Tanya, and she comes in and she helps and supports all of our staff that are completing work-based MVQs. Tanya is extremely knowledgeable. She has the same experiences as the staff who are completing their work-based learning. And that's really beneficial to the staff that are completing it because Tanya can relate and she's got her own live examples and experiences that she's been through. She's on hand whenever the staff need any help or support night and day. She's very attentive. She's very adaptable to each staff member as well that's completing a work-based MVQ. It really benefits us as a business because what Tanya brings in terms of help and support not only supports the staff who are completing their MVQs, but also us as a business and as an employer as well, to make sure that we have fully supported and qualified staff at the end of it all, which is the main aim. Highly recommend it. I really would. We think it's really beneficial because when we have staff who are completing work-based MVQs, we give them a hands-on help and support while they're in the workplace, and we can teach them practically each step of the way. It really helps and supports us, but I think it helps and supports the staff who are completing the work-based learning as well, because they're in that environment, they're doing it on a day-to-day basis, and it's slow and steady at their pace too, which is a big benefit to everybody all around. And it's something that we look forward to doing, and we've done it for many years and we'll always carry on in the future doing it. Just a massive thank you to Coleg Cambria. Like I said, Tanya, our MVQ assessor, is fantastic, but it's not just Tanya as well, it's everybody else. It's part and parcel of Coleg Cambria. Obviously providing the funding, the staff and the resources to help us as a business and our staff to be able to gain these qualifications.